In Africa yesterday, the Ethiopian Supreme Court convicted former Marxist ruler Mengistu Haile Mariam to death for committing genocide against his own people. But Mengistu, who now lives in Zimbabwe, won't be executed unless he's sent back to Ethiopia. And that may depend on who wins Zimbabwe's upcoming runoff election. Here's more on this complicated situation.
Mengistu lives a life of comfortable exile in Zimbabwe since he was driven from power in 1991. He is protected as a friend of Zimbabwe by the Mugabe regime. He could face extradition to Ethiopia if Mugabe loses to Morgan Tsvangiria in next month's election runoff. He and more than a dozen other senior officers were found guilty after a 12-year trial. The court said crimes committed by Mengistu and his co-defendants of killing an emperor and burying him under a toilet is unheard of in the annals of human history. His regime's brutality was exemplified by the Red Terror purges of 1977 to 78, in which at least 1,200 suspected political opponents were murdered and their bodies dumped in the streets as a warning to others. Mengistu and 19 co-defendants were sentenced to death, while another was sentenced to life. The sentence will be carried out after the head of state approves it.